Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Classic, stock reference number 4820. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand indicator. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet has one small dent, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Heyman Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light does have a light scratch. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black center console. Automatic type. Automatic gear shifter. Climate control, heater controls. 6-stack CD player. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Left-hand sun visor. Right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.